Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of ink cartridges with a spotlight on the HP 980 series, specifically the HP 980 Black Ink Cartridge, model D8J10A. If you're in the market for top-notch printing performance, stick around because this might be exactly what you need. The HP 980 is renowned for its reliability and quality, designed specifically for high-volume printing needs. Whether you're running a small office or managing a larger business setup, these cartridges are engineered to deliver exceptional results without compromise. It boasts a page yield of up to 10,000 pages per cartridge, which means fewer interruptions and more productivity. Designed to work seamlessly with HP OfficeJet enterprise printers, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your printer. As an original HP product, you're guaranteed sharp, clear prints and consistent results every time. Easy installation and reliable performance straight out of the box, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. HP's commitment to quality ensures that each cartridge meets stringent standards, providing peace of mind with every print. Despite its initial price, the HP 980 offers up to 2x more prints compared to refill cartridges, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. With a focus on sustainability, these cartridges include features that reduce environmental impact without compromising on performance. Many users appreciate the seamless integration with their HP printers, noting the consistent print quality and longevity of each cartridge. Whether you're printing documents, presentations, or high-resolution images, the HP 980 consistently delivers. Alongside the HP 980 Black Ink Cartridge, HP also offers cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges to complete your color printing needs. Each cartridge is optimized for specific color tones, ensuring vibrant and accurate prints every time. In conclusion, the HP 980 Black Ink Cartridge, model D8J10A, is undeniably one of the best choices for businesses and individuals looking for reliability, quality, and performance in their printing solutions. With its high page yield, seamless compatibility, and environmental consciousness, it's a standout option in the world of ink cartridges. If you found this review helpful or if you have any questions about the HP 980 ink cartridge, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.